So day 4 was all about randomization and Python live. I created this game where you got a input 1, 2 or 3, like 1 for rock, 2 for paper and 3 for scissors, right? And based on your input, there's a list of the strings, right? The diagram like rock, paper and scissors, the hand gestures, right? And I also generate a random integer for computer, right? So basically you are like playing against a computer which randomly generates the diagram. So it can be a draw, you can win, or computer can win, and you can see that for yourself.